Open your Meta Ads Manager app. If you don't have this app, go to Play Store and search for Meta Ads Manager. You will see the spelling right here. When you click on the search button, it will take you to the app. This is the app right here. So if you don't have it, you will see this install button here. You're seeing open because I've already installed it on my phone. So click on install and install it on your phone. Then if you have not set up your Meta Ads Manager account, I have a video that will show you how to set up your Meta Ads account. The link will be at the description of this video. So after watching this one, go and watch that one. Now let's quickly go to how you can run Facebook ads directly to your WhatsApp group. You can see this particular ad. We are running this ad to Ghana and we have spent 215,000 naira on this particular ad. This ad is running straight to WhatsApp and I will show you how I was able to do this. To get started, click on this plus button. It will take you to the campaign objectives. Select traffic campaign objective. It will take you to this interface. I believe you already know how to run Facebook ads. If you don't know, I have a step-by-step video on how to run Facebook ads for beginners. The link will be at the description of this video. After watching this video, go and watch that one. Let me just go straight to where you need to set up your ads so that I can be directing people straight to your WhatsApp group. Okay, so as usual, you will give your campaign in a name. Then this campaign does not fall into special ad category. You will leave this one. Okay, then set your budget as usual. Now this is where you need to set the ad. Now let's go to ad sets because this is where you need to set the ad to run to your WhatsApp group. As usual, you will give your ad set a name. You already know all this one. So let's go to conversion. When you click on conversion, under the conversion destination, you will select website. After selecting website, go back, then set your schedule as usual and your audience. If you don't know how to do audience targeting, the link to audience targeting video will be at the description of this video. So after watching this one, go and watch those ones. The next thing is placements. Let me show you how to set the placement. Click on placement, then click on this drop down button, select manual placements, click on devices, then uncheck desktop, leave it only on mobile, click on this close button. Next thing is platforms. Click on this drop down button. If you are using a small budget like 5,000 naira per day, then uncheck Instagram, uncheck audience network and uncheck messenger. Just leave it only on Facebook. Okay, but if you are using like 10,000 naira per day, then you can check only Facebook and Instagram. This one I'm using a small budget of 2,000 naira per day, so I will leave it only on Facebook. Okay, after that, click on this close button to close it. So this is all you need to set at the placement level. After that, click on the back button, then click on next. Input your ad name. Remember to use the same name you use at campaign name, ad set name. Use that same name as your ad name. The next thing is identity. So select the page you want to run this ad to. When you tap on it, you will see your drop down button here. Click on the drop down button. Here, all the pages you own will appear here. So go ahead and select the particular page you want to use for your ad. Let me select this particular page. You will see that that page has appeared here. So that is the page I will use for the ad. After that, click the back button. The next thing is ad setup. Under the setup here, we have create ad. But if you want to use existing post, then click on this drop down button. When you click on the drop down button, you will see create ad and use existing post. So if you want to use an existing post that you have already posted on your page, then you will use this one, use existing post. But I want to use create ad, so I will leave it at that and click the back button. After that, this is the last stage, which is add creative. So click on add creative. Now pay attention. This is where you are going to input your WhatsApp group link. Okay, before I continue, just like this video, click on the like button below and drop a comment. Have you done that now? All right, let's continue. As usual, input your headline here. You know how to do that. Then you enter your primary text. Primary text is simply your offer, so explain your offer there. Now you will see website here and there is a link below it. This link below it is your default Facebook page link, but that's not what you want to go for. We want to run this advert directly to our WhatsApp group. So the website link you are going to be pasting here is your landing page link. So I created my landing page on 𝗘𝗺𝗁.co. This is the landing page you're seeing here. This is the landing page I created for my clients, and this particular landing page has a call to action button that says click here to access it. So this particular button is going to direct people to our WhatsApp group. This is a free landing page. You are not paying for hosting, you're not paying for domain name. It's a free landing page. So if you don't know how to create this landing page, I want me to create a video on that, then drop a comment below. This particular button leads people to the WhatsApp group, so you don't need to be adding people manually to your WhatsApp group. This will direct people straight there. When you're creating this landing page, 𝗘𝗺𝗁.co will give you option to input your WhatsApp group link on this particular call to action button. Let me show you the back end so that you see how it works. This is the landing page back end. If I click on this edit button right now, now, you will see how it works. It's very simple to create it. Okay, so this is it. If I click on this call to action button now, you will see the WhatsApp group link. Now I've clicked on it. I will click on this drop down button now, and this is the URL, and under URL here you will see my WhatsApp group link. So that's how I was able to impute this particular WhatsApp group link here, and anyone who clicks on this call to action button will be directed straight to my WhatsApp group. So I will copy this landing page URL here. I'll just click on this copy button to copy it, and that is the URL that I will be using on my ad here. I will click on the website here. You will see add new sites. Okay, click on it, then long press and paste the landing page link that you copied. I've pasted it, then click on this close button. You will see the call to action button here. Leave it at this learn more. This learn more is okay, so that they'll click on it and be directed to the landing page. So this is all you need to set here. Click on this back button. When you have set everything, you will click on this review button down below, and you will see this publish button down here. Ensure you have money in your ad account before you click on that publish button to publish your ad. If there's something that you don't understand, just comment below and I'll explain it to you. If